Here's an overview of automated advisor assignments in J1 Web Advising Administration.
Jeff, we're so glad you're here to answer our questions about automated advisor assignments.
And our first question is this: what exactly are they?
Automated advisor assignments are a way to set up rules to automatically assign students to appropriate advisors.
Sounds like it'll save time, but will we have to give up some control?
You'll have lots of control. You can fine-tune advisor sets and their rules, you can run the process on demand instead of waiting for the daily run, and you can edit information for advisees and advisors.
Nice. But what are advisor sets?
Advisor sets are advisors you group together to advise students with something in common. For example, you might have a set for at-risk students, a set for each major, a set for your honors program, and a set for each sports team.
That makes sense. Okay, let's see how it works.
Sure thing. Let's go to the Automated Advisor Assignments page. First, we'll create our advisor sets. We can add advisors individually, or we can pull in the advisors from a data set.
Can an advisor belong to more than one set?
Sure. As many as you need. Next, we'll add rules for assigning advisees to the advisors in the set. We can either select a data set or create a custom rule. Here, let's make a rule to assign undergraduate freshman honor students to advisors in this set. Now students who meet the rules will be assigned to advisors in the set on the next daily run of automated assignments. And if you don't want to wait, you can run the assignment process right away.
Does it distribute advisees equally to all the advisors? What if one of the advisors is already at capacity?
Great question. We manage those settings using the assignment configuration options. The students can be distributed equally to each advisor, or they can be added to the first advisor till they reach capacity, and then to the second advisor, and so on. Oh, and you also decide here whether this advisor set updates every day automatically, or only when you update it intentionally. And, finally, you decide whether to allow advisors to exceed their capacity in this set.
After we've made our advisor sets, and advisees are getting assigned, how do we work with them?
Another good question. Now you can find everything you need to know about each advisor set. Such as how many advisors? And who are they? Does the set have rules? What are they? Has it reached capacity? When was it updated? Are there unassigned students? Is the set active? Is it locked? And when was it last edited?
If a set is not active, is it excluded from the automatic assignment process?
That's right. Inactive sets aren't processed in the daily automatic runs. So if you want a set to be ignored by the daily runs, make it inactive. And anytime you do want to process inactive sets, just select them and run the process on demand.
Cool. So what can we do with our advisor sets?
The Actions button gives you tools to work on an individual set. You can edit the name of the set, change the advisors, and lock or unlock the advisor assignments. You can also change the assignment rules and manage the set assignments. You can preview the students in the set, send a communication to the set's advisors, and view details of the advisor's information.
But for operations on multiple sets, we use the Options button, right?
Right. You can select one or more sets to work on.
From the Options button, it looks like we can change whether a set is active or not. We can also download set information to a spreadsheet, run the advisor assignment process immediately, or delete the sets. Is that right?
You got it. And each of those operations affects all the sets you selected. Do you have any more questions?
Yes. What's the Unassigned Advisees banner about?
I'm glad you asked. Click it to filter the list to only the sets that have unassigned students. You'll find out if changes were made to the set since the assignment process was run, or if students can't be assigned because a set is full.
Excellent. Thanks for showing us around the new advisor sets.
I think this will make our assignment process easier to manage. I'm ready to get started.
And I look forward to hearing how it's working for you.